Here I have an interesting case here. It's this Insignia TV here. Turns on. You can see the backlight kind of glow there, but there's no picture. I don't know what's going on. The customer said he did replace the T-con board, so he has the original in here, but it's not a T-con board. What in the world's going on? Here's the inside of the TV. Your power supply board's probably okay. They replaced this. This is probably okay. It's probably your main board here. Could be like the EEPROM on this. So either you're gonna have to replace this board, or sometimes it has a bad connection on it. We could put it and bake it into the oven and see if that fixes it. I'm not sure. So you can see the back click on, and you can see the main board's on too. Just no display. What I tried to do is I tried to perform a hack that sometimes works. Sometimes there's a reflow can fix this by putting this into your oven at 200 degrees for about 15 minutes to reflow the thing. So I took it all apart here, and sometimes the CPU, which is underneath this black heatsink, needs to be reflowed. And so there's these little black tabs that you can remove, and then you can pop off the heatsink, and then you just put it in your oven, put some paper underneath it, and then let it cool down and pop it in. I did that already, and it still doesn't work. That means that it's probably a problem with the EEPROM or some sort of bootloading stuff. So if the next case to fix it would be to buy a new board. You just type in the code there for your new board. In Canada, I use tvparts.ca, or you can go on eBay or shopjimmy.com if you're in America. Don't use shopjimmy.com if you're in Canada, because you're gonna have to pay for border fees. So, yeah, this is the cases for this size of TV. It's like a 58-inch TV. It's not worth getting a new board, because this would cost like 180 bucks. And a new TV like this, 250 bucks, you can get a new TV. So this is the case where it's not worth fixing, because the board is just as much of a new TV. You might as well get a new TV, even though the new TVs aren't the best quality and all that. But if you turn down the brightness of your TV, it can last a lot longer. So this is the case where I would buy a new TV. Okay.